Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best dog pee spray is probably one of the most essential tools in any pet owner's arsenal, especially when it comes to training or dealing with unexpected accidents, offering a powerful solution to deter your canine companion from marking their territory inappropriately or to encourage them to use a designated potty area, ultimately saving your carpets, furniture, and sanity from persistent pet odors and stains. Number 5. Rocco and Roxie Extreme Stain and Odor Eliminator. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and unpleasant odors. Our powerful formula eliminates messes from accidents, leaving your home smelling fresh with a light, pleasant scent. From carpets and furniture to pet bedding and car interiors, this cleaner tackles messes everywhere. It's designed to handle accidents on any surface, anytime. Harnessing the power of minerals and enzymes, it gets to the root of the problem. It breaks down ammonia crystals and organic matter for a truly deep clean. You can use it with confidence around your loved ones, including pets and children. It's chlorine-free, color-safe, and contains no hazardous propellants. Rest assured, it's certified safe for all carpets by the Carpet and Rug Institute. It provides effective cleaning without damaging your carpets. We are committed to providing the best for your pets. If you're not completely satisfied with its performance, we'll make it right. What we like? This cleaner is a powerhouse for tackling any mess, from urine to vomit. If you have a multi-pet household with frequent accidents on various surfaces, this is your go-to solution. Its ability to eliminate residue ensures no lingering smells or stains. What people say? This stuff really worked miracles. It is certainly worth the purchase. This product really does what the description says it can do. Removes odors and stains, check. Easy to apply and use, check. Pleasing scent, check. Number 4. Rocco and Roxie Stain and Odor Eliminator. Introducing Rocco and Roxie Stain and Odor Eliminator. It's a professional strength enzyme cleaner designed to tackle tough pet messes. This solution is certified gentle and safe for all carpets. It's chlorine-free, color-safe, and contains no hazardous propellants, making it safe for use around your family and pets. From pet urine and feces to vomit and other organic spills, it eliminates both the stain and the odor. It works on even the most stubborn messes. You can use it on carpets, floors, furniture, and even clothing. It's perfect for any area where your pets live and sleep. We are committed to providing the best for your pets. If you're not satisfied with its performance, we'll make it right. What we like? This product offers a professional-grade clean that's still gentle enough for your home. If you're looking for a reliable cleaner that's certified safe for all carpets and can handle even the most stubborn pet odors, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for maintaining a fresh-smelling home with pets. What people say? This stuff really worked miracles. It is certainly worth the purchase. This product really does what the description says it can do. Removes odors and stains, check. Easy to apply and use, check. Pleasing scent, check. Number 3. Resolve Ultra Pet Carpet Cleaner Spray, 32 ounces. Tired of tough pet stains? This powerful cleaner penetrates deep to lift and remove even the most stubborn messes the first time. Say goodbye to accidents like feces and vomit, and their lingering odors. Don't let your furry friends reoffend in the same spot. Our formula helps discourage pets from returning to make a mess, keeping your home cleaner for longer. It's the smart way to manage pet accidents. Experience a truly fresh home with our advanced Oxy Plus Odor Stop technology. It effectively removes odors, leaving behind a pleasant, clean scent. You won't believe the difference it makes. From carpets and upholstery to area rugs, this cleaner is safe for all your soft surfaces. Enjoy versatile cleaning power that tackles pet messes wherever they happen. Join countless satisfied pet owners who trust us for superior cleaning performance. We are the #1 brand for pet mess cleaning, dedicated to helping you maintain a spotless home. Clean with confidence. This product is suitable for use around your cats and dogs when you follow the directions. Keep your home clean and your pets safe. What we like? If you're struggling with pets returning to the same spot to make a mess, this cleaner is designed to help. Its unique technology not only removes tough stains and odors but also discourages pets from remarking. It's ideal for training or for homes where repeat accidents are a concern. What people say. Resolve Ultra Pet Odor and Stain Remover is basically a wizard in a spray bottle. It didn't just remove the stain, it erased all evidence that my pet ever committed the crime. The smell disappeared so completely I briefly questioned my own memory and the integrity of my carpet. An easy application, I sprayed the car carpets, trunk, and seats thoroughly and let it set a while. I later took a lightly damp towel and vigorously scrubbed the sprayed areas. I vacuumed the car as well. Absolutely amazing. The stench and stains were gone. It looked and smelled like a brand new car. This carpet cleaner spray works very well on pet messes and stains. It cleaned the carpet better than I expected and was very easy to use. The results were noticeable after the first use. Number 2. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator Kit. Tired of lingering pet odors? This powerful formula targets and destroys strong smells at their source. Our included UV flashlight even helps you find hidden messes. Don't let odors be confined to one spot. Use it on carpets, upholstery, tile, garbage cans, and even your car's interior. Just remove pets, clean up any excess mess, shake well, and spray. Let it dry completely to eliminate the odor. Enjoy a fresh, natural citrus scent derived from orange peels. It effectively tackles even the most stubborn odors. We are proud to formulate and manufacture this cleaner right here in the USA. It's made for pet owners who value quality and safety. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who want to be thorough and proactive about pet messes. If you like the idea of using a UV light to find hidden urine stains before they become a bigger problem, this is the product for you. Its powerful citrus scent also helps to neutralize strong odors effectively. What people say. The blacklight flashlight works and was super helpful in identifying which areas to target and clean the most intensively. The other products failed terribly when it came to rainy days and high humidity, the smell worsens then. But not with Angry Orange. It takes it all away and leaves a clean citrus scent. Cleaner works great. I love the UV light. It showed me even urine dribbles from my dog when she had a bladder infection. Number 1. ZORBX Unscented Odor Eliminator 16 fluid ounces. Tired of stubborn odors? Our advanced, patented formula provides a permanent solution. Just a little bit tackles even the strongest smells, leaving your space fresh like a professional. Our extra-strength formula uses non-toxic, naturally derived ingredients. It's eco-friendly and safe for people, pets, and the planet, ensuring a clean and fresh environment for everyone. This 16-ounce spray bottle is perfect for use anywhere. Keep it in your car or travel bag for quick odor elimination on the go, or use it at home in any room. Our fast-acting solution is trusted in hospitals and healthcare facilities for its effectiveness. It's ideal for tackling tough odors like smoke and pet smells, ensuring you can breathe fresh air. We are committed to providing high-quality products. Each solution is strictly inspected, and your satisfaction is our priority. We're here to help if you're not completely happy. What we like. For those who prioritize a truly neutral scent and hospital-grade cleaning power, this is the ultimate choice. If you or your family members are sensitive to fragrances, or if you need an odor remover that works quickly and effectively on tough smells, this unscented formula is ideal. It's perfect for maintaining a clean and fresh environment without any added perfumes. What people say. This is good stuff. Absolutely no odor, but stops SLL odors the minute it is sprayed, air, floor, and doggy odors immediately. No ill affects, no objective smells, just clean air. This product removes the smell easily and is safe with kids. This stuff works. We had a funky cat urine smell in our living room. We couldn't find it, even with a black light. I poured a cup or so of ZORBX into a spray bottle, sprayed the floor as I went along, mopping with a Swiffer, sprayed the couches, my rebounder, the fireplace, and the smell is finally gone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.